In the latest version of Sage 50 Accounts, we've made improvements to the Excel reporting option. Before we look at the improvements, let's have a recap on how it works currently. Let's use one of our audit trail reports, and if we scroll down the list, we'll use the audit trail summary report. If we then click the Excel option on the toolbar at the top, we'll accept the default criteria. The report then opens directly in Excel. Let's zoom in a bit. What we tend to find is that when people use this option, they then want to manipulate the data in Excel. To make this simple, we've made some good improvements to this feature in the latest update. With the latest update installed, we'll run the same report. So we select the audit trail folder, scroll down to the audit trail summary, select the report, and then from the top toolbar click Excel. We'll accept the default criteria and the report opens in Excel. As you can see, we've got some formatting on there and also the auto filters, making it easy to then manipulate the data. For example, if we wanted a list of bank payments only, we can access the filter and then deselect all of the transaction types and then select the checkbox for BP. You click OK and only the bank payments are now listed. If you find that you've got a column with loads of hashes in it indicating the column's not wide enough to display all the information, just click on the divide between the two columns. This is just a standard Excel feature and it resizes the column to the minimum width needed to display all of the relevant information in that column.